Michael's Pizzeria in Long Beach, California is saying it's Zagat's #1 pizza in the entire US of A. Only problem is, Zagat says there isn't any list like that. So this is awkward. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Don't get me wrong, Michael's is no slouch. Zagat's does have the restaurant listed as one of the top LA pizzerias, as well as one of the best pizza joints in the country. There's just no ranked list for them to be the top of. From the deep dishes in Chicago to the mom and pop pizzerias in New York, there are some who are not very happy that a Los Angeles area spot, specifically a restaurant that's only been open for about 2 years, is saying it's the macaroni with the cheese. It's a big deal to have the title of best pizza in a country where 350 slices are being eaten every second from 70,000 spots. So Michael's may not wear the belt as Zagat's champion, but I think we can call them the Muhammad Ali of pizza places. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.